Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have to check the levels. You can see this is acting like a support. This is a previous levels. See here many times 1 2 3 4 5 6 times tested at this level. You can see here if market is opened below these levels, we can go with sell side. Okay, we can expect a sell side momentum once it is breaked, or else if market is opened above these levels, if it is opened above these levels, we can expect good move on bullish, right, like this. Here if market is opened above levels, this would be the resistance point. If market is open at these levels, above these levels, means positive note. If market is opened negative note, and we can expect up to these levels, means it act like a support. This level act like a support. Okay, these are the levels for Bank Nifty for tomorrow. If market is open above these levels, we can expect up to these levels. So this area act as a resistance zone, and if market is open downside momentum, we can expect up to this level, and this is act as a support zone. Okay, if market is opened beyond these levels, just wait for the price action, and once we get a good setup, we can take the positions. Okay, here I am just giving the levels and what would be the view for tomorrow. Okay, I am not suggesting to buy or sell any stocks or options and all, just giving a view of Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you see here the Bank Nifty level with a 5-minute time frame, you can see if you draw a trend line like this, let me draw it clearly. You can see here there is a breakout here in this 15-minute time frame. There is a support, one support and 2 3 support here, 4, and it had a break, and now this is testing these levels again. This is the breakout, and this is like retracement. Okay, we can expect the move like this. Okay, and this is acting like a resistance zone. Just keep in mind, levels is very important. Don't take trades, don't take positions without perfect trade plan. Okay, now we'll move to Nifty. Nifty, here you can see from last 2-3 days, from last 1 week, these levels is in consolidation. In these levels there is more consolidation. Okay, we will wait the market where the market opens, we either positive or negative. Market is opened above these levels, we will look for buying side. If market is opened below these levels, we will draw a trend. We can draw a trend line like this. See, market is open below these levels, we can expect we can go with sell side. Okay, sell side means we can buy put value, put option. Okay, if you are a option trader, you can go with put buying a put option. If market is open above these levels, market is open above these levels, we can go with positive sign. It can give the positive sign, and we will wait for the price action and we will trade. Market is opened flat inside this rectangle. You can see market is opens at these levels, Okay, this is act like a support, sorry, resistance. Okay, now these levels act as a support. Okay, this is support. See guys, I am just giving a view here. Just try to take the try to acquire the knowledge from analysis. Tomorrow morning I will update the levels in my telegram. If you are not joined in the telegram, you can join, link in the description. This is a view for the Nifty tomorrow. For tomorrow, market is opened above levels, we will go with positive trend, and if it is opened below these levels, if the trend line breaks, we go with sell side, and if market opens flat, we can wait for the price action with the levels of support and resistance. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are new to this channel, just please subscribe for more videos.